Tether Gold could rise 2.6% tomorrow, 30 rates data forecasts. Let's start with what's unfolding on the chart today. As we record this, Tether Gold is showing a 2.9% decrease and is trading near $4,423.50. Let's unpack today's forecast from experts. Crypto predictions suggest the asset may retreat to $4,389.58 by March 27, about 0.9% down from current value. CoinPrice forecast believes Tether Gold may approach $4,454. That's an increase of about 0.6%. CoinCodex points out it could test the $4,473.64 level, an upward move of 1%. Another prediction by 30 Rates expects Tether Gold may climb to $4,543, roughly 2.6% above now. And to end, coin data flow points toward $4,709.95 by March 27, 6.3% higher. This forecast leads in potential profitability. That wraps up the outlook for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. Now that we've reviewed the forecasts, here's what they point to. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a decline of 0.9% to a gain of 6.3%, depending on the analyst. That means CoinDataFlow is forecasting the highest return with 6.3% gain in value by tomorrow. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $6 and $63 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility trends, CoinPrice forecast stands as the most probable, with a 74.1% likelihood. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. With all forecasts combined, the consensus places Tether Gold near $4,514.03. Now, let's zoom in on the numbers. The consensus takeaway is a 1.9% rise in price. With that change, your capital could likewise see an increase of 1.9%. With 1,000 as the base, this might equal a gain of $19. So the probability of this consensus forecast materializing is estimated at 59.9%. Moving on, let's explore how analysts expect the price to behave in the next 3 days. Crypto predictions points to a bearish path. CoinPrice forecast anticipates Tether Gold following a bullish course. A move higher is similarly suggested by CoinCodex. Upside potential is also noted by 30 Rates, who stays optimistic. CoinDataFlow emphasizes a downward trajectory. Aggregating these perspectives, the consensus indicates Tether Gold moving down across this horizon. Taken as a whole, a clear majority leans toward growth in Tether Gold. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we'll see how they measured against reality. As a result, the day's closing figure was $4,497. Every forecast ended up on the wrong side of the move. CoinPrice forecast achieved the most precise outlook. Now let's open up the details. The candle boundaries included none of the forecasts. Speaking of ROI, the single profitable result was 2%. Here's the detailed fact check, a side-by-side look at how every forecast turned out. The stats for CoinPrice forecast show 79.1% forecast probability, $86 accuracy, and 2% ROI. Look through the results and figure out who did the best job. And now you'll see the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns based on consensus analysis. Tether Gold is placed in 4th position for tomorrow's potential returns, with Ethereum showing 2.6%. This section includes Tether Gold and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended performance view and analyst accuracy results will soon appear on my website and Telegram. We're done here. Stay subscribed to keep seeing the stats that matter. See you when the next numbers come in.